Hello and welcome to my new video lesson. Today, I'm taking on a quick and creative challenge, painting a tiny texture in just 3 minutes using my Realistic Watercolor Brushes collection for Procreate. This is a fun and relaxing way to practice your skills, explore new brushes, or just unwind with a bit of art. If you'd like to join me in painting, you can download the template and color palette for free on my Patreon. Today we are going to draw a tiny stone texture. Let's create a beautiful texture together. I'll start by selecting the first brush to carefully fill the base of the texture with a color. Feel free to use the colors from my provided palette, or personalize the scene with your own choices. By layering different shades, we can create a smooth and visually stunning gradient as the colors blend seamlessly. Don't worry about overlapping colors. The transparency of the brushes allows overlapping colors to interact naturally, creating subtle variations and entirely new shades. Now we need blend the colors to create a seamless and natural transition between the shades. We will use the water wash brush, which is specifically designed to replicate the fluid and delicate blending effect of traditional watercolors. I will erase the strokes that go beyond the frame. Create a new layer on top of the drawing layer, and using the first brush with a light shade, carefully draw the joints between the stones. And we will also add shadows to make the stones look more three-dimensional. I will use the dry stamp brush from the Realistic Watercolor Brush collection to add texture to the stones. Use the first brush to add details. That's it. In just a few minutes, we painted a beautiful texture together. I hope you enjoyed the process. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.